fun and satisfying to have you guys watch me clean my entire kitchen, plus clean out the pantry and try to organize it a little bit. You guys know we moved in really recently, so it shouldn't be like this. Like, we're already getting a little out of control, so it's probably gonna take me a good 20-30 minutes. I'm gonna give you guys kind of just my little tips and tricks, show you guys exactly how I clean. I don't know, it's like oddly satisfying to watch somebody like clean up a dirty space. So if you guys end up enjoying it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, turn on your post notifications, and yeah, let's get to cleaning. So the real step number one is to get into comfy clothes. I'm wearing my Lulus, some tennis shoes, and then just this t-shirt from Target. Yes, I know Lulus are very nice and expensive leggings. If I was doing like the bathroom or something with bleach or anything, I wouldn't be wearing these, but because I know that all the products that I'm using today are like safe and not anything with bleach or anything, then I'm good. And these are super comfy. I love them. Yeah, okay, let's get to actual cleaning. Okay, this is what we have to work with. Boxes everywhere, stuff all over the place. Honestly, it's just really a lot of stuff that just needs to be taken off the counter. This all needs to be cleaned up and then just reorganized. Those I will show you in just a bit because that's what I'm gonna do with the entire pantry. I'm not gonna do the pantry first just because I know that if I take everything out, it's just gonna drive me nuts. So I'd rather have this all clean and then jump into the pantry, take everything out there. I know there's a ton of dirty dishes. This I also just picked up from IKEA, and that is to hold like plastic bags. I got my shoes going down here. Like, it's just, the trash needs to be emptied out. It's just a disaster. So let's get to cleaning. Got all sorts of mail going on over here. I'm actually gonna use one of these bins to put in one of the drawers over there, and I'll put like all the important mail, receipts and stuff like that, because you guys know I work from home, so a lot of tax write-offs, things like that. These little clips are so essential to wrap up chips, make sure that they stay like neat and obviously fresh also. Okay, now we can actually move on to the pantry. I'm gonna bring you guys closer. Okay, this is what we got going on. Weston decided to throw everything up there that came from like this gift basket. And then this is everything I got going on, which isn't the best either. It's really this shelf that's bugging me and is just kind of driving me a little nuts. Yeah, down here needs a little bit of work. What am I saying? Everything needs a little bit of work. So I'm gonna empty most things out, not everything, and then I will reorganize. I only have 3 more of these IKEA bits. I might go pick up more later. I'm assuming I'll need more. I just thought I was gonna use them for like upstairs with all like my makeup and skincare and PR boxes and stuff like that, because that gets crazy, so I always need bins for that. But then I realized, you know what, the pantry needs it more than anything right now before it gets like crazier. So I'm gonna go ahead and empty out all the chips that we got. I'm gonna stick the bigger bags in the back. You guys, these paleo pancakes are so good. Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you guys one of the other best parts, that I think these are like $4 or $5, and these are like a solid, nice acrylic. Like, these don't feel cheap or anything. So I am loving them. Oh! Nice catch. These are the little clips I was using. I got these from Ross. They're not my favorites. They don't hold well, but they were the cutest ones. I didn't know that they didn't work that well, but I mean, they do the job enough. Okay, I know this isn't like a 180 transformation, but it already looks so much better, literally just by adding these bins. It's cleared up so much space. I kind of organized up there. That was, like I said, all from a gift basket. So I don't know what to do with it because it's a lot of fattening stuff. So I have like chips, pita chips, things like that there. I have a few other chips and stuff here, but it's mostly like other random kind of like healthier junk food. Some oatmeal. This little turning spice rack I got from, I believe, Home Goods or Marshall. I think Home Goods. I have another one right here too, which is still empty. I put all the bread in here. Oh, these little baskets have been freaking amazing also. These are also from either Home Goods or Marshall's. so convenient because they give you so much more space, and I have like all my noodles in here and stuff that I love. These ones are the edamame fettuccine. There's some edamame spaghetti. I love these. Oh, here's another one of my favorites, and I need to find another bin to put these in. Also, these white rice are freaking amazing. I don't know how this turned into like a food haul, but basically here's the pantry. This is what we got going on. I have another little like shelf spice rack thing here. I got some almond butter and then some vegan Alfredo red pepper sauce. But yeah, and then some disposable stuff over here because we did kind of party a little bit. So we got that, and then we still have room down there. But yeah, I feel like we're off to a good start, especially since, like I said, we moved in pretty recently. So I want to make sure that it stays as organized as possible and as clean as possible. So that's going to be that for the pantry. Moving on back to the kitchen. Most things are clean. It's time to wipe everything down, and then I'm gonna vacuum the floor because obviously like crumbs and stuff are gonna fall down. So flooring is the last step. To first wipe down, I'm using the Method all-purpose naturally derived cleaning wipes in pink grapefruit. These ones just smell good and they're like pretty thick, so I like them. I grab a few and then just obviously go around cleaning everything. I let all the crumbs fall on the floor because, like I said, I'm just gonna vacuum everything up right now. That actually was not too bad. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse. So now we can put our stuff back. Weston's the one who actually put these here. I don't know if I like the flowers here. They're cute, but I kind of just like the candle on its own. I guess we'll see, but oh my gosh, light a candle. Oh, lighting a candle when you're like close to being done. It's my favorite. It's gonna make the whole house smell so good. You guys know what feeling I'm talking about? It just feels like clean and refreshed, and it just smells so yummy. And I do that at the end. Like, I do not like lighting candles when the house is a mess. I don't know what it is. Let me know if you guys do that. Comment down below if you guys will light a candle even when things are messy, or if you wait until the very end when things are clean and you're like, it's like the reward of like serenity. It feels so good. I'm gonna wipe down back here also. The stove actually is dirty, so this is gonna need a good wipe down. Look at these actual messes. And this, I actually do want to get a good wipe down first, and then we'll scrub. Last but not least, all the dishes need to be put into the dishwasher. The final step is to clean up all the floors. This is the Dyson. I'm not exactly sure which one. V6 Motorhead, I guess is what it's called. I'm not sure. I will link it down below if I find it online. I'm sure they have it. But I use this for everything, literally everything, and it cleans up really good. I do it on carpets, hardwood floor, like everything. So that's gonna be it for today's video. We are spotless over here and it feels so good. I love when it's so nice and clean and it smells good in here. If you guys ended up enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. That's always super helpful. I'm sorry that I switched cameras in between. My other camera ended up dying, which is why there was a little switch if you guys noticed. But yeah, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on your post notifications. That's it, I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.